Hi friends, welcome to Crypto2earn YouTube channel. This is a WordPress course for beginners. So in today's video we will learn how to remove permanently a WordPress post in your website. So before we start our today video, I am requesting here, if you are new at my channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share my video. So here we go to Google Chrome and we'll open our website. This is our website right for us now. So open your website if you have a website through admin panel, through WordPress admin dashboard. So you will redirect at this page. So just click on categories. From here you can select any. Just click on news. So I want to remove one of my posts from my news. So I want to remove the second one, right side one. So first click on it and open. So I just clicked on it. This is the interface of this post. So I want to remove this post from my website. Just click on left side and click on dashboard. So I clicked on dashboard. It will redirect to a new window. Here from left side click on post, then click on all posts, then scroll down from right side. So here just from top click on all categories. From here you can select news categories. So here we selected and clicked on apply. So a specific category will be selected from here, in which only news post. So scroll down, we want to remove the last one, this one. So here you can see a trash menu. Click on it, click on trash button. So first it goes to trash menu, then you will redirect at this page. So scroll again and here you can see click on trash. One post has been sent to trash. Just click here on delete permanently. So from here your post will be deleted permanently. We just clicked on delete permanently. So the post has been deleted permanently. So we go for our website. Just clicked on visit website from left side. So we redirected to our website. Click on categories, click on news. So you can see our post has been deleted from here for permanently. So you also can do that by following this. So if you are new at our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell notification button. So I will bring a new video soon. Take care.